Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to follow topics on Twitter. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Twitter seems to think this feature will be ideal for fans or certain subjects, aka fandom, whether it's a professional sport team or a music group. Rather than follow a new official account that posts development, you can just follow a relevant topic and Twitter will show you popular tweets. So, how to do it if you want to follow topics on Twitter? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitter or X. Now, you can go to your search section. You can go to here. You can search topic that you want to follow. For the example, maybe you like basketball. Now you can search. Here's the option top listest people, media, and list. You can change to list, or maybe I will show you keep up like this. You can go to list. You will see there is a community or topics that you can see K-pop posts on there. You can choose the community or the topics like this. You can see first. If you want to follow, you can just tap on here plus icon, or you can open the topic first and tap on follow, so you can see the topics that K-pop topics without following official account. So that is how to follow topics on Twitter. You can also follow topic more than one topics here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!